I've seen in my professional life that academics, in most cases, are not aware of what they can do with their research outside of the academic world. And this program is exactly about opening perspectives for academics, what they can do in order to make the world a better place.
The Impact Hub was a project that was developed with the idea of not only embedding public engagement into the careers of researchers and professionals of the MFN, but also with the idea of fostering more participatory processes between science and society.
Science is very often conducted in kind of an ivory tower that is excluding some parts of our society, so my motivation was to create a public engagement project that is specifically tailored towards people that are usually not in contact with scientific outreach. And I did this by moving to where these people are. So instead of having them come to me, meet me at the museum, I went to their neighborhoods.
The Impact Hub showed me that my science can reach the public in so many different ways that I didn't know before. It's a multifaceted approach, what I'm doing. It's not only what I thought it was.
The scope of the Impact Hub was to build capacity for the planning and implementation of public engagement projects, and really to just build a playground to test our different ideas and methodologies for it. Therefore, we conducted different workshops for the development of projects and created mentoring support throughout this process.
What was unique about the Impact Hub was that it gave people a chance to work directly with their target audiences and really think about working in a mutually beneficial manner with impact at the heart of what they were doing.
One of my key learnings is to always keep the why as the central part of what I'm doing, because of course to conserve species in the future we need to get the community involved as well. So that's something I've really learned, is to always champion community within my conservation work that I do.
I'm amazed, I'm impressed by the dedication and enthusiasm of these young researchers, and seeing how dedicated they are to reach new audiences. That's just very encouraging for the future of the scientific discourse between science and society.
It's good to see and to hear and to talk with people who are thinking in the direction of pushing public engagement forward, of thinking about impact, societal impact in general. It's very inspiring.